Hello everyone and welcome. When Elon Musk speaks, the world listens. From electric cars to rockets to a global satellite network, his companies have a history of disrupting industries. Now the focus is on a new kind of revolution, solar power. Today, we're diving into the details of the all-new solar power system revealed by Musk's company. We'll break down the key features, explore what makes this different from existing technology, and ask the big question: could this really be a game changer for how we power our homes and the world? Get ready to see the future of energy. The core problem, solar's big challenges. First, let's understand what this new system aims to fix. Despite its huge potential, solar power for homes has always faced a few key hurdles. Aesthetics and installation. Traditional solar panels can be bulky and unattractive, and the installation process is often complex and expensive. This has deterred many homeowners. Intermittency. The sun doesn't shine at night or on cloudy days. This means you need a way to store the energy, which requires batteries that have historically been bulky and costly. System integration. Connecting panels, inverters, and batteries into a single cohesive system can be a technical headache for both installers and homeowners. Musk's approach with this new system is to tackle these problems head-on with a fully integrated solution. To the reveal, what's new and different. The new system isn't just about a single new product, it's about a holistic approach to home energy. Solar tiles and roofs. Forget traditional panels mounted on top of a roof. The new system often involves solar tiles that are part of the roof itself. They are designed to be virtually indistinguishable from regular roofing materials, blending in seamlessly with the home's aesthetics. The goal is to make solar power a choice for homeowners who care as much about looks as they do about efficiency. The all-in-one battery. A key component is the next-generation Powerwall or equivalent battery storage system. This isn't just a battery, it's the brain of the home's energy system. It's sleeker, more powerful, and can be integrated with the solar roof and the home's electrical grid. It's designed to be a clean, modern unit that sits on a wall, providing backup power and managing energy flow. Seamless integration and software. The real magic is in the software. This new system is designed to be fully integrated. The solar roof, the battery, and a smart inverter communicate with each other. A dedicated app gives homeowners complete control and visibility, allowing them to monitor energy production, consumption, and even sell excess energy back to the grid. The entire system is meant to work as a single, highly efficient unit. This integrated design is a fundamental shift from the fragmented approach of the past. 3. The big questions, a true game changer. So is this the moment that changes everything for solar? Let's consider the arguments, the optimist's view. If Musk's companies can make solar power beautiful, easy to install, and cost-effective through mass production, it could unlock a massive new market. It would be a powerful step towards a future of decentralized, clean energy where every home is its own power plant. This could accelerate the transition away from fossil fuels faster than ever before. The skeptic's view. This is not the first attempt at solar roofs. Challenges with cost, complexity, and long-term durability are significant. Mass production is difficult, and meeting demand is a huge logistical challenge. The initial cost for a full solar roof can still be high, making it a long-term investment that isn't for everyone. The impact on the industry. Even if it doesn't immediately dominate the market, this kind of innovation forces the entire solar industry to respond. Competitors are now motivated to improve their designs, lower their costs, and offer more integrated solutions. This is a win for consumers, regardless of who they buy from. The success of this system will depend on its ability to scale, lower costs, and prove its long-term reliability. 4. What this means for the future. This announcement signals a broader shift in the energy sector, from fossil fuels to home power. We are moving towards a world where homes are less reliant on a centralized grid and more empowered to generate and manage their own power. Smart grids. As more homes adopt these systems, the overall energy grid will become smarter, more resilient, and more efficient. A new era of innovation. This is just the beginning. The concepts of integrated solar, battery storage, and smart energy management are the building blocks for countless future innovations. The new solar power system is a bold vision for a cleaner, more independent energy future. It's a testament to Musk's philosophy of tackling big problems with big, integrated solutions. Conclusion. Elon Musk's unveiling of this new solar power system is a major development in the clean energy space. By focusing on aesthetics, seamless integration, and advanced software, his company is aiming to solve the core challenges that have limited solar adoption. While time will tell if this is the ultimate game changer, it's a powerful statement that will undoubtedly influence the future of energy. This system represents a significant step towards a world where our homes are not just consumers of power, but active participants in the generation of clean energy. Otru, what do you think of this new solar power system? Is it the future, or are there still too many challenges to overcome? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with anyone interested in clean energy, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. Thanks for watching.